All right, this is our Milwaukee Edger, and so I want to change out this blade. So it comes with this little wrench tool and this metal pin. And so if you can kind of bring the camera down in here, you'll see that there's a hole in this collar right here. And the purpose of that is so that it won't rotate when you're trying to get that off. So I just put that in there, and then I put the wrench on, and it tells me that off rotates that way. So that's like the opposite of normal. So I'm gonna hold the pin and I'm gonna rotate that. So it's important to read that, which is the opposite of everything else that we do. So I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep this collar in place. I'm gonna lift off this old blade. I'm gonna put my new blade on. These blades aren't sharp, they're just pieces of metal. And we're gonna put our collar back on. Then we're gonna put this back on, and we're gonna go the opposite way to tighten. So counterclockwise to tighten. Opposite of everything else we ever do. So I snug it up that way, then I grab my little wrench here. And again, I'm just holding this pin in there to keep that collar from moving. And that's it. We're done. So I hope that's been helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll put links in the video description of new blades.